So hey guys, so today we're going to talk about a different topic. It's about space, the solar system, the planets, the sun, everything. Now we're going to go to the history of the universe. So the universe is a very vast. It's very vast. So it's very big. We can't estimate the size of it, and nobody has been able to make a rough estimate of its range and vastness of or state exactly how it came into existence. So no one knows how it came to existence till the last few decades, as it's just a theory, it's a scientist theory. So however, during the past 5 decades, a number of theories have been advanced in an effort to solve the puzzle that has vexed man ever since he first began to think all about the cosmos and its place in it. The most expected theory is the Big Bang theory. So man has specified many theory in the last few decades. So one of the main theory which is considered by scientists, which is likely to be followed by everybody, is the Big Bang theory. So the beginning of the universe, Big Bang, we are going to go to the topic about the Big Bang theory. The beginning of the universe was all in one place, and its matter and energy were squeezed into an infinitely small point. So matter is basically, you may know it. It's a thing which has mass and which has volume, and it also can be told as atoms. And yeah, there are many things in it. And energy means we have studied about energy. Everything which has energy is is human, is a living being, and it's a thing. And then there was a tremendously explosion which happened around 12 to 15 billion years ago. So 12 to 15 billion years ago, an explosion happened known as the Big Bang theory. Scientists believe that the explosion was so that even till this day it is still hurting around. The Big Bang released radiation particles and clouds of atoms. So it released some radiation. Radiation means the heat given by the sun, or it can also be radiation. Particles means small particles. It also, we can say it is atoms, and we can also say even this day it is still hurtling around. So this Big Bang is still hurting around the world, and changes keep on happening in the universe. So yeah, gravity condensed the atoms into galaxies where stars appear. Gravity condensed atoms, as I told, matter into galaxies, which are we have the Milky Way galaxy, Andromeda galaxy, the Near galaxy, Milky Way galaxy. Yeah, there are many things. Yeah. So there are new types of atoms as they aged and exploded as supernovas. Atoms aged and exploded and became supernova for like colliding of two suns or two stars, etc. A vast disk of gas and debris swirling around the early sun gave birth to the planets, including Earth. In time, life appeared on Earth. So, Earth, gradually came into process, and this radiation caused the sun exploded and caused few number of planets, which one of them is Earth, and all the 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Uranus. Yeah, everyone knows it. Yeah, let's go into the next topic. So, there are other things like Eris, infinity era, quark, lepton era, radiation era, matter era. These are some other topics. So we'll discuss that later. Okay? Yeah, let's go into the topic. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun and is only planet known to support life and have water on the surface. Earth is the only planet have life and has water. Blah blah blah. Everyone knows it. Yeah. So there's abundance of water, and technically has abundance of water, but fresh water is very less. So yeah, I say everyone to save water. It is about 7,926 miles, 1,27,056 kilometers in diameter, and it's fifth largest in the solar system. It's the fifth largest planet in the solar system. So it was formed about 4.5 billion years ago. The Earth's interior is divided into 4 layers, and each layer has different characteristics, and it's made up of different elements and minerals. So the 4 layers are the surface and the crust and the mantle and the inner core and the outer core. So yeah, and the surface of the Earth has 71% of land, 71% of water, 29% of land. 21% of land. Everyone might have known it, and 98% of salt water and 2% of fresh water, which we can drink. So save your water so that we could keep it for the next generations. So we don't need to think like our next generation that does not know to bath, they only put the perfumes. Yeah, that's very important. Yeah, so crust, mantle, core, and inner cores are four layers of the earth, so we don't need to go into this topic, and we will like discuss in the future videos. So the moon is the earth's only natural satellite. Natural satellite basically means like earth is this and it rotates around the earth. So artificial satellites means which is made by man and it is transferred to the space and which rotates the earth. So there are many things around it. We'll discuss about it later. And earth, and along with the earth also orbits the sun. So if earth was rotated by moon and earth rotates the sun, so technically moon also rotates the sun, so it revolutes the sun. Okay, so many things are there, we'll also learn about it later. And there are moon surface is very different. Moon surface has two regions, but there are many interesting surface features such as craters, mountains, ranges, and lava plains. So there are many things about moon, so we'll discuss that also later. So moon has only 17% of force gravity that you would experience in earth. Only 17% of gravity in earth, moon only has that amount of gravity. So we cannot like keep us on the ground in moon, whereas in earth we can be in the ground. So we have to jump, we can jump till 7 meters and come down, so we can do anything in the moon. The temperature of the moon it's 123 degrees Celsius, and it can also be 233 degrees Celsius. So it's very very hot. And the sun is the only star in the solar system as per we know. There may be stars, but we couldn't find any other things in the solar system. So sun is a star featuring most prominently in the solar system, on which all the planets of our solar system move. It is giant spinning ball of very hot gas, and the light from the sun makes life possible. So the heat which is given by the sun makes life possible here, or will be like frozen in the earth and we couldn't live here. And yeah, the sun has 74% of helium and about 24%, and yeah, something is there, I don't know, understand this. Yeah, I'll like clear the doubts in the comment section. If you guys know anything about the space, you can also add this in the comment section. Everything is open always. Yeah, astronomers consider anything heavier than helium to be a metal. So if anything is there which is heavier than helium, it's metal only. So the remaining part of the sun is made up of iron, nickel, oxygen, silicon, sulfur, magnesium, carbon, neon, calcium, and chromium. Lot of gases, and in fact the sun is 1% of oxygen, and everything else comes in out as of the last 1%. So there are many things of the sun. Surface temperature, it can be 5,700 Celsius. Wow, that's very big. If we go to the surface of the sun, we'll like burn out. We cannot go to the surface of the sun, but if we go, we'll like burn out. And that's why I don't go to Tar Dashan. Yeah. The sun's magnitude. So the sun's magnitude radius is 109 times larger than the Earth. So it's 109 times larger than the Earth. So there are many things in sun, and some processes happen in sun, which is like the solar storms, the solar atmosphere, the solar gravity, the sun's gravity, the solar wind. So these processes keep on happens in the sun. So which spreads heat throughout the solar system. Yeah. So there are 8 planets in the solar system. If I say it is a line, it's Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. And in the middle we have the asteroid belt, which splits the inner planets and the outer planets. This is as per scientists, and I'm not included in the theories. I just read this. Yeah. And Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system, as per everyone knows, and it's very like Earth. So this the thing we'll just learn about the inner planets, and in the next video we're going to learn about the outer planets. Yeah. So smallest planet in the solar system is Mercury. Is very much like Earth's moon. So it's the same size of Earth's moon. It's like very much like, I don't know if it's the same size, but yeah, it's even smaller than the grayish color. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun and has no moons of its It comprises of iron and nickel. Is one of the densest densest planet in the solar system. It has a diameter of 3027, and we learned that something like 7800 for Earth, and it's just 3000, so it's very small. And it does one revolution in just 88 days. If you live in moon, you can do one rotation in 88 days. So every 88 days you get your birthday. Yeah, revolution. 88 days you get your birthday. So if you go there, you'll say it's like very fast, but you'll also die very fast. Yeah, I remember that. We need technology to live in Mercury. Now we'll go next planet, and the atmosphere of Venus is made up of clouds. It has various gases including carbon dioxide, which traps the heat and transfers the planet with a raging storm of hot. This is the hottest planet in the solar system and the brightest planet in the solar system. This fact about the Venus, I've also read about it. So yeah, it is about 7,515 miles, and it's the same size of the Earth. It's also called as the evening star. There are many facts about Venus, but we can't live in Venus. So yeah, we are going to the next topic, so which is Mars. So actually we have already seen about the Earth. The same thing comes again and again. So yeah, we go to the next topic. Mars, named after the Roman god of war. It's like war, ready for war in Mars. Yeah, it has two small moons called Phobos and Deimos. Phobos and Deimos are the small moons of Mars. It is also the last inner planet and also a red planet due to the rich amount of rust of iron-rich materials that is formed its surface. So there are many iron-rich materials in Mars, which is there in its surface. There are some people tell that there was life in Mars hundreds of years ago, and there was also water, but due to the heating of asteroid, or gradually the water in Mars evaporated. It also had an atmosphere. Yeah, these are some facts and theories given by scientists. So we can't say anything. So Mars has a diameter of 4,280. It's kind of the seventh smallest planet, I think so. I don't know clearly. And it 23 hours in Mars for a day, and it completes one rotation in 24 hours 37 minutes as per scientists. The planet has many craters. Craters are small holes kind of things, and it's seen on the moon and are millions of years old. It is old like millions of years. So yeah, so guys, today's topic is over, guys. So yeah, if you like this video, give a like and keep a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for receiving my videos if you like my videos. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, guys, and you're completed the full video, and hope so you get information about the solar system through this video. So thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Thank you. See you.